Hello, and welcome back to Speak English with Class, the podcast, where every single episode makes your English stronger and your life better. I'm Anna.
And I'm Jake. And today, oh my goodness, today, we are talking about something that affects every single person listening right now.
That's right. No matter where you live, how old you are, or what job you have, today's topic is for you.
Anna, let me ask you something. If someone gave you 1 million rupiah right now, what would you do with it?
Ooh. Okay, honestly. Half of me wants to put it in my savings account so it's safe, and the other half of me wants to invest it and watch it grow.
That is exactly the dilemma we're talking about today.
Because today's topic is saving versus investing. What's the smart move? And how do you talk about it in English?
This episode is part English lesson, part life lesson. And honestly, it might be one of the most useful things we've ever done on this podcast.
Big claim, Jake.
Big topic, Anna. Let's go.
Okay, so let's start with the basics. What is the actual difference between saving and investing?
Great starting point. So, saving means putting your money somewhere safe, usually a bank account. It doesn't grow much, but it's protected. You can take it out anytime.
Think of saving like putting your money in a box under your bed. It's always there when you need it. Safe, reliable, zero risk.
And investing means putting your money to work. You buy something like stocks, property, or a business with the goal that it grows in value over time.
But investing comes with risk. The value can go up or it can go down. That's the trade-off.
So neither one is wrong. They serve different purposes. And the smart move? Most financial experts say you actually need both.
Exactly. It's not really saving or investing. It's about finding the right balance between the two.
And knowing the right English to talk about this? That's what's going to open doors for you in meetings, with advisors, with international colleagues, or even just in a conversation with a friend.
So let's build that vocabulary right now.
Vocabulary breakdown. Let's go. 10 money words you absolutely need to know.
Number 1, savings account. This is a bank account where you keep money safely and earn a little interest. I put 20% of my salary into my savings account every month.
Number 2, interest rate. This is the percentage the bank pays you for keeping your money there, or the percentage you pay when you borrow money. The interest rate on my savings account is 3% per year.
Number 3, investment money. You put into something with the goal of making more money. She made a smart investment in property 5 years ago, and now it's worth double.
Number 4, return on investment, or ROI. This means how much profit you made from your investment. The return on investment from that stock was 20% in 1 year.
Number 5, portfolio. This is your collection of investments. He has a diverse portfolio: stocks, bonds, and real estate.
Number 6, risk. The possibility that you could lose money. Investing in the stock market carries risk, but historically, it gives good returns.
Number 7, diversify. This means spreading your money across different investments so you don't lose everything at once. A smart investor always diversifies their portfolio.
Number 8, liquid assets. Money, or things you can quickly convert to cash. Your savings account is liquid. A house is not liquid. It's important to have some liquid assets for emergencies.
Number 9, emergency fund. Money you save specifically for unexpected situations. Financial advisors recommend having at least 3 months of expenses as an emergency fund.
And number 10, compound interest. This is the magic of investing. It means you earn interest on your interest. Your money grows on top of itself over and over. Thanks to compound interest, a small investment today can become a huge amount in 20 years.
That last one, compound interest, is honestly one of the most powerful concepts in personal finance. The earlier you start, the more it works for you.
Albert Einstein reportedly called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. Whether he really said it or not, the concept is absolutely true.
Okay. 3 practical tips for making smart money decisions and talking about them confidently in English.
Tip number 1. Build your emergency fund. First, before you invest a single dollar, make sure you have savings to cover unexpected costs. Most advisors recommend 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This is your safety net. Without it, one bad month could wipe out all your investments.
Think of your emergency fund like the foundation of a house. You can't build walls without a strong foundation first. Get that savings base solid, then start investing on top of it.
Tip number 2. Start investing early, even with small amounts. A lot of people wait until they have enough money to invest. But here's the truth. There's never a perfect time. Even investing a small amount consistently, every month, can grow into something significant over time thanks to that magic compound interest we talked about.
The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time? Today. Start small, start now, and let time do the work.
I love that saying. Tip number 3. Learn the language of money. Seriously, this one matters so much, especially if you work in or aspire to work in an international environment. When you can confidently say, "I'm looking to diversify my portfolio," or "What's the ROI on this?" people see you differently. You sound informed, you sound professional, and you earn respect.
Language is power. And money language? That's a superpower. The more financial vocabulary you know in English, the more doors open for you in business, in networking, in life.
Here is your challenge for this week, and it's a really fun one.
This week, I want you to write 5 sentences in English about your personal money situation or goals. Use at least 5 vocabulary words from today's episode.
For example, I currently have a savings account, but I want to start diversifying my investments this year. Or, my goal is to build a 3-month emergency fund before I explore stocks.
Your sentences don't have to be perfect. They just need to be yours. Real, honest, and in English.
Post them in the comments, we will read them, we will cheer you on, and you might even get some great ideas from other people in our community.
All right, beautiful people, let's recap what we covered today.
We learned the key difference between saving and investing. Savings is your safety net. Investing is your growth engine. And smart people use both.
We went through 10 essential money vocabulary, word savings account, interest rate, ROI, portfolio, diversify, liquid assets, emergency fund, compound interest, and more.
We covered 3 powerful tips. Build your emergency fund first, start investing early, even with small amounts, and master the language of money.
And your challenge this week is to write 5 real English sentences about your own money goals using today's vocabulary.
If this episode added value to your life today, and I truly believe